Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a focus rack effect, or rather fake a focus rack effect in Final Cut Pro. A focus rack effect, for those of you guys that don't know, is that effect you may see from time to time where everything just fine in focus, but then it might go out of focus, then go back in focus. It's a fun little effect that just sort of wowed the audience, tells a story. So what we are going to do is create it in Final Cut Pro, or rather create a good imitation of it in Final Cut Pro. Okay, so what we will want to do is click on effects here. Okay, we will want the effects tab. Okay, we have the effects. What we will want to do is go to blur, then go to Gaussian blur, drag this over here. Alternatively, you can just double click on the clip. What we want to do here, this is basically, we want it to start not focused, then go into focused. So what we are going to do here is we are going to open our inspector as we normally do, hit a keyframe here, drag this down to 0, okay? And then we're going to go to the end of this right here, and then drag the end of it to 50, okay? Alternatively, you can just type in 50 if you want to get exactly 50, but we're going to do that there. Then if we play it back, you will see that it starts off with, not being blurry, then it gets blurry as time goes by. But you may want to get unblurified. So simply to do the process the other way around, go from blurry to unblurry, we would do a similar thing. We would drag the Gaussian blur here. We will proceed then to do what we did in reverse order, okay? We will go ahead, keyframe this, start at 0 back here, and then where we want it to start, about halfway through in this case, we will set this to around 50, and then that should work. So as you can see, if we play this through, and I go ahead and get rid of this here, if we play this through, we will see that it starts off perfectly normal, and then gradually it gets blurry, and then the same thing happens, but in reverse. It gradually gets unblurry till it's fully unblurry. Now, ideally, the clip wouldn't be as long as I made this. I just happened to make it a bit longer than you normally would, but hopefully this gave you an idea of the effect in general, and hopefully this has helped you in some way, shape, or form. Feel free to leave in the comment section below what tutorial you might want in the future, and with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.